Hi, everybody. Here is what you are going to do. First thing you're going to do is make sure you've joined this class, obviously, by clicking the link. I think you did it. And you're going to click types of government. And you are going to work your way through like this. You want to make sure you're going down this way. These are especially gravity. If you can do gravity, then you know these terms. These are all terms that we just went over. So if you click on a tyrant, if you're like, I have no idea what a tyrant is, you click it and it's like, oh, it's a dictator. Okay, fine. So try it again. Tyrant is a dictator. Good. And then you would, go through them. Anarchy is absence of government, laws, or authority. Make sure you go through. I would always start with going through them once. And then what you're going to do is you click learn here. And what learn is going to do is you have to get them right twice in order to, what is this down here? Sorry. I don't ever like to click the cookies, so I'm just Xing out. When a monarch or a king or a queen has very little power because the leader or the prime minister is the one elected by the people. That was, I know it's not a secondary document, it's a constitutional monarchy. You have to get them twice, I think, all the way through in order to do it. When citizens vote for specific laws of a country, like ancient Greece, that's direct democracy, not representative. So these are obviously very easy because some of them, obviously, it's a piece of evidence, so you know it's not going to be a dictatorship. Some of these are pretty easy, but it doesn't matter if you get it wrong. Well, let's say I did say it's a dictatorship. Then it's going to go in the one that I got wrong. Okay, but you have to read it. Make sure you read it and read what the answer is. Push any key to continue. So you want to go through these all the way through on Learn, and then you're going to go back. And I can, by the way, see all of the, I can see how much you've been on here. So this is writing. It's practicing getting the answer right. Absence of government. No government is anarchy, spelled like anarchy. And learning to spell it is important. So go through and do all those. And you'll see your score up here, as will I. So go through the right. I don't care so much about the spell, but I do like the test. For the test, here's the thing, is you have to go down through here at the bottom. I can't do it because my tools are in the way. Hide the tools. You want to go to options. Whenever you're in the test, you're not really testing yourself if all you're doing, you want to first of all make sure they're testing you on everything. And you want to like mix them up maybe a little bit, but I would get rid of true false. The true false are really stupid and don't really show you anything. And it's up to you to say whether you want to answer with the term or definition. I think answering with the term is easier. Answering with the definition is harder. So anyway, there's also other options. Prompt with, I don't even know. Doesn't even matter for those. But this is just sort of, they're going to mix it all up for you. And then you just go and now you're going to create a new test and you want to try to, and you do have to spell them right. So this is why you want to get the writing down when you do that. The last one, what I want to show you is if you really know this, and this is what I want to get a screenshot from you guys doing. I want you to pick one of these games, actually not live. You can't do live. We have to do that as a class. Try to pick gravity or matching if you need to, but I basically want a screenshot of you. So you're going to go up here, go to your screenshot, and I want to see you play this game. Okay, so you're going to get started, and by the end, you want to study all of them, and it's up to you. I will leave it here. I would do medium. Let's start with medium. If you're really, really struggling with this, do the easy ones. And I would answer with the term because you don't want to have to type this all out. Okay, so let's go. This is how it's going to work. You have to type your answer before this gets down. So a photograph, a soldier in World War I, it's this type of document. That is a primary document. And then I have to answer it before the gravity before the thing hits. So it's really hard because you have to type it all out. System of government where the head of state is hereditary. Monarchy. Oops. Right. Oh, it's absolute. They wanted absolute monarchy. I don't know if I got that one or not. Historical piece of evidence that was created at the time of events. Primary document. I don't know that it's getting these. Just get as many as you can. It's okay. A government controlled by religious leaders. That was a theocracy. Oh, primary source. Okay, that's kind of tricky because it doesn't matter whether it's a source is a document. It's the same thing, but that's okay. We're learning. So don't get too pissed off at this. It's just good practice. So try to do as much as you can, and then just take like literally a minute screenshot of you trying to get some of these. Okay, and then upload it. Oops, sorry.